Assalamualaikum, let me introduce myself. My name is Niken Revalina, Management Class 23 ANPM 234111094. Here I will present material regarding commercial banks and Sharia banking types of banks based on their function. Commercial banks. Sharia commercial banks is a bank that carries out business activities conventionally and based on Sharia principles, whose activities provide services in payment traffic. Commercial bank. Sharia commercial bank business type: collecting funds from the community in the form of savings, demand deposits, time deposits, certificates of deposit, savings, providing credit financing, transferring money either for one's own interests or for the interests of customers, providing a place to store goods and securities, pledging funds from customers to other customers in the form of securities that are not listed on the Rural Bank. Sharia Rural Bank Stock Exchange is a bank that carries out business activities conventionally and based on Sharia principles, whose activities do not provide services in payment traffic. Rural Bank. Sharia financing bank business type: collecting funds from the public in the form of savings in the form of time deposits, savings, and or other equivalent forms, giving credit, providing financing and fund placement based on Sharia principles in accordance with the provisions stipulated by Bank Indonesia, pledging funds in the form of Bank Indonesia certificates, SBI, time deposits, deposit certificates, and or savings in other types of banks based on their operational activities. Conventional banks, operating according to what has become customary and based on general agreement, such as customs. Types of Sharia banks. Sharia commercial banks, BUS. Sharia bank which in its activities provides services in payment traffic. For example, Bank Muamalat Indonesia, Bank Syariah Mandiri, Bank BNI Syariah, Bank Syariah BRI, Bank Syariah Mega Indonesia. Sharia Business Unit, UUS. The work unit of a conventional commercial bank head office which functions as the main office of Sharia branch offices and or Sharia units. Commercial banks that have UUS, for example, Bank Danamon, Bank Permata, Bank CIMB Niaga, Bank DKI, BPD East Java. Interest system versus profit sharing system. Flower. Interest is determined at the time of the contract with the assumption that the business will always generate profits. The percentage is based on the amount of funds, capital loaned. Interest can be floating variable, and the amount goes up and down according to the rise and fall of the benchmark interest or economic conditions. Fixed interest payments as promised without consideration of whether the borrower's business is profitable or making a loss. The amount of interest payments does not increase even though profits increase many times over. The existence of flowers is doubted, if not condemned, by all religions. Profit sharing. The determination of the ratio profit-sharing ratio is agreed upon at the time of the contract based on the possibility of profit and loss. The profit-sharing ratio is based on the amount of profit obtained. The profit-sharing ratio remains unchanged as long as the contract is still in effect, unless changed by mutual agreement. Profit sharing depends on the profits of the business being run. If the business suffers losses, the losses will be borne jointly. The amount of profit sharing increases accordingly with interested profits. No one doubts the legitimacy of profit sharing. Sharia Bank Transaction Agreement. The definition of an agreement is the relationship between ijab, statement of transfer of ownership, and kabul, Statement of acceptance of ownership within the scope of what is prescribed and has an effect on something. Sharia bank transaction contracts are divided into dua, namely Tijarah contracts, contracts or transactions related to Sharia banking business acti.